If you want to customize your blog and you know just some basic HTML, I'm going to show you how you can do that on customize your sidebar pretty easily. This stuff isn't hard, but if you don't know HTML, I imagine it could be a little overwhelming, and you can really screw things up if you don't know what you're doing. So unless you have some basic knowledge, I wouldn't recommend doing this. But for those of you that do, I'm going to show you around a little bit in the sidebar so you know what to edit to customize your theme. So what you want to do is log into your WordPress admin panel and go into Appearance and then Editor. And over here on the side, you'll see all the files. Now, the sidebar.php file is the one that's that big wide one at the top. And then the smaller ones that are side by side on the bottom is sidebar left.php and sidebar right. Now, one thing I want to say is if you want to add stuff to the sidebar, probably the easiest way is to just stick it in a widget. And this sidebar 1 is the big wide one, sidebar 2 is the left one, and sidebar 3 is the right one. And you can just drag over whatever widgets and put them in there. But a lot of times you might not like the order that it comes up on the sidebar, and that's when you need to go into the editor. And you want to go into sidebar.php, and you might want to switch things around a little bit. Now, in here, I'm going to show you what each of these little codes means so you can just switch them around. And really, it's as simple as just grabbing a section of the code and just cutting it and pasting it where you want it to be. So depending on the blog that you have, things might be a little bit different than this. On some of the blogs, I have the ones that have an ebook, I've created a banner ad, and I always put that at the top, and you'll see that code up here, and it has the actual image that comes with it, and the affiliate click, if it's an affiliate product, the click to that. But on this blog, this doesn't have it. So the first thing that we see on here is the sidebar ad for the affiliate product. And what that actually is this ad 468. When you go into the lifestyle theme options, this sidebar ad at the top, that actually pulls this actual code in. So if you don't want that at the top of your page, then all you need to do is just cut this whole section from the div class equals to the slash div. And let's say if you wanted it at the bottom or something, or under AdSense, you would just paste it there. Now the next thing is the widgets. So anything that you put in any of the widgets, that's going to come up here, wherever you place this code here. And you want to, if you're going to cut this out, you want to cut all the way to the end otherwise you'll get an error. After that, we have the AdSense. This is the 300 by 250 block that's on the sidebar. You can move that wherever you want. This is the one that I actually just moved down. And here you get the recent posts. It's, you can see that there. This is the video. It will be the video that you paste into the lifestyle theme options section is going to be pulled in right here. And then it calls the left and the right. So if you don't want those little ones at the bottom of your blog, then you can just actually delete this code. So that's it. So that's how you would move stuff around in there. But if you want to add stuff, your best bet is to just use the widgets. And if you want it to appear at the top, just make sure you have this sidebar widgeted code at the very top, and that should do the trick for you.